Welcome back to CBSE Maths NCERT Maths. Today we are going to discuss class 3 measurement word problems on length. So let us see this question. Sarah loves knitting. She knits 45 cm of a muffler on Monday, 52 cm on Tuesday and 68 cm on Wednesday. Find the total length of the muffler. So we know that total means it is addition. So it is very easily we can understand that here total one word is there, that means we have to add. So how much? First 45 centimeter on Monday, then Tuesday 52 centimeter, then on Wednesday 68 centimeter. So all these lengths we should add to get the answer. Let us see. If they are asking to write the statements, how will you write? Length of the muffler she knitted on Monday is equal to 45 centimeter. Length of the muffler she knitted on Tuesday is equal to 52 centimeter. Length of the muffler she knitted on Wednesday is equal to, this is capital, okay. Wednesday is equal to 68 centimeter. So total length is equal to, then you have to add on. Here without statements I am doing because already we have done many word problems. How to write the statements you know. Here length means meter, centimeter, etc. comes means you have to write length of, okay. Then if anything kilogram, gram, then you have to write weight of. Then a liter, milliliter, then you have to write amount of water, like that, amount of juice, amount of water, etc. So what we can count, we can use number of, but length we cannot count, that is wrong. So we have to write length of the muffler on Monday, length of the muffler on Tuesday, length of the muffler on Wednesday. Now let's see its answer. 45 plus 52 plus 68. So when we should add all, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 8 is 15, carry 1, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 6 is 16, 165 centimeters. So answer is what she knitted total, what she did, how much she did, 165 centimeter is the answer, or 1 meter 65 centimeter. Okay. So this is the answer. Total, the word total is highlighted here. So that means here we have to add. Question number 2. A tree was 15 meter high. It broke from the top at 12 meter height due to a storm. How much of the tree is still standing erect? This is a tricky question. Okay, so total how much? It was 15 meter high. It broke from the top at 12 meter height. So how much of the tree is still standing erect? So let us see. Let us draw a tree. Okay, suppose this is the tree. Total length is how much? 15 meter. 15 meter. It broke from the top at 12 meter height. Suppose this is 12 meter height. Till here it is having 12 meter height. Okay. So this much how much? 12 meter height. How much of the tree is still standing erect? Is it a tricky question? Some children will think immediately 15 minus 12, 3 meter is the answer. That is wrong answer. At the 12 meter height it got cut or it broke. Correct. That means this much part fallen down. On the top you can see this much part has been fallen down. Now up to here how much is there left? 12 meter. So answer is 12 meter. I hope it is clear, you understood. Understood? At the top it got cut or it broke from the top. So up to that it is 12 meter high. So answer is 12 meter height. 12 meter, it is standing straight as 12 meter height. Number 3, this is 3, correct. 4 weavers make a curtain which is 8 meter long. If each worker weaved equal cloth, how much curtain did each weave in centimeter? Each. I told already in division word problem, last one word will be there. Which one? Each or one. How much will be in one box, how much will be in each box, like that. So each will be the keyword when you understand division word problems. Here we can see 4 weavers are there. Okay, 4 weavers make a curtain which is 8 meter long. 8 meter is the total length of the curtain cloth, and each each worker weaved equal cloth, how much curtain did each weaver weave in centimeter? We need to find the answer in centimeter. Here question is given in meter. So directly first itself we will convert into centimeter, because our answer we should find as in centimeter. So we know that 8 meter is equal to 8 into 100 is equal to 800 centimeter, right? So 800 centimeter is the total length of the cloth. There are 4 weavers. So how much did each one weave? So now it is clear, 800 divided by 4 we have to do. 800 divided by 4. So we know that 4 2s are only 8, right? 4 into 2. So 200 centimeter is the answer. If they asked in meter, it will be 2 meter. But they asked in centimeter. So answer is what? 200 centimeter. 200 centimeter is the answer. 200 centimeter. Let us find using long division also, because some children don't know to do in the mind. So you have to do as long division method. 800 divided by 4. We know we have to take the first number. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s. Okay, then 8. 4 stable you have to remember. You know that now. 4 2s are only 8. 8 minus 8 0. Bring down 0. When we are bringing down the number, it is less than the divisor. Put a 0 here. Still again one more 0 we have to bring down. Again it is less than the divisor. Put a 0. Don't you remember that rule in division? When you bring down a number and if it is less than the divisor, just write a 0 on the quotient side, quotient place. Okay, but again you brought down 0, that is again less than the divisor, put again a 0 there. So here answer is 200 centimeter. If they ask it is in meter, it is 2 meter. Okay, so 4 weavers are there, total length is given, 4 weavers are there, how much each means it is division, you should divide, you will get 200 centimeter, that is equal to 2 meter. Let's see one more question. Question number 4. A bundle of cloth is 5000 centimeter. A soldier requires 5 meter cloth for his uniform. How many uniforms can be made out of the bundle? So total length is 5000 centimeter. We will make it in meter because the other unit is in meter. Okay, so 5000 centimeter is equal to 5000 divided by 100. Last 2 digits you have to underline. This already we have discussed in conversion. So what you did not underline? 50 meter. 5000 centimeter is equal to 50 meter. Now you have to see only this one, not this one. 50 meter, 5 meter you have to see. Now what is given? You should think, you should visualize in your mind. A bundle of cloth means total length of the cloth is 50 meter. Total length is 50 meter. Okay, and a soldier needs 5 meter for one uniform. For one uniform he needs 5 meter. So how many uniforms can be made out of 50 meter cloth? Okay, that means 50 meter is the total length now. For one uniform 5 meter is needed. So 50 divided by 5 we have to do. So think, when you multiply you will get bigger number again. That we don't want. How many can be made using this total length of cloth? Clear? How many can be made out of this total length? So this is also division. Here each keyword is not there. That time you have to think and understand. Okay, the keyword each is not given. That means you should visualize in your mind what is given, what we have to find out. So every time story sums are like our real life problems. So you have to think that situation in your mind, then automatically you will get. When I add, what I will get, it will match. No. When I subtract, no. When I multiply, no. Here when I divide only it will be correct. So one is in centimeter, one is in meter. That is not allowed. That is why this one we have converted into meter. So answer is what? 50 divided by 5 is equal to 10. 10 uniforms can be made out of 50 meter cloth. That means at equal length how many? 10 uniforms, and each piece or each uniform's length is 5 meter. 5 meter like that, 10 into 5 50, right? 10, because ulta they are opposite operations now, multiplication and division. So 10 can be made out of 50 meter cloth. Okay, so we will discuss other word problems in our next video. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.